Hi students, I am Dr.K. Varada Rajkumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In our previous class, we discussed about selection sort algorithm. In this session, we are going to implement selection sort. So, overview of the presentation. In this session, we are going to implement selection sort function. Outcome of this lecture, at the end of this lecture, you all are going to implement selection sort to sort elements in an array. So, this is the selection sort program. So, this is selection sort function and this is main function. So, this is the input array. So, 28, 56, 34, 3, 45, 23. So, now here the size equals to 6 and before sorting we print the elements in the array. So, it prints 28, 56, 34, 3, 45, 23. Okay. So, next we call the function selection sort. Input is, arguments are array, so array is, this is the array. Okay. And n, what is the n value here? 6. So, this is the definition of selection sort. Here ARR is array. So, ARR, the elements are 28, 56, 34, 3, 45, 23. Indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and n equals to size of the array. Here the size of the array n equals to 6. Okay. So, int I, j, minimum index and temp. Here we are taking 4 variables I, j, minimum index and temp. So, this we are going to use to swap the elements, temp variable. Okay. So, these are the 2 for loops. I initialize I equals to 0, I equals to 0, you check the condition. So, 0 less than n minus 1, what is the n here? 6, 6 minus 1 means 5, yes, it is true. So, enter into the block and make minimum index equals to I. What is the minimum index here? I value. What is the I value? 0. So, minimum index equals to 0 now. And now, initialize j, j equals to I plus 1. What is the I value? 0. 0 plus 1 means j value equals to 1 now. Okay. So, 1 less than 6. Yes, this is true. So, enter into the block and check error of j less than error of minimum index. What is the error of j? Error of 1, 56 less than error of minimum index. What is the minimum index? 0. Error of 0 means 28. So, 56 is less than 28? No. So, increment j plus plus. So, now j value become as 2. Now, again you compare 34 here. Error of j is 34 less than error of min index. What is the index? 0, that is 28. 34 is less than 28? No, this is false. So, j equals to 3 now. Error of 3 is 3 now. 3 less than 28? Yes, it is true. So, now you update min index. What is the 3 index? 3. So, min index equals to j now. What is the j value? 3. So, the minimum index is 3 now. J plus plus. So, j value become as 4 now. So, what is error of 4? 45. 45 less than error of min index. What is the min index now? 3. So, error of 3 is 3 now. 45 less than 3? False. Next, j equals to 5. What is error of 5? 23. So, 23 less than 3? False. What is j value? 6. 6 less than 6. 6 less than 6. False. Now, we move to here. Here we are going to swap the minimum index not equals to I. What is I value? 0. What is minimum index? 3. Yes, 3 not equals to 0. True now. So, you are going to swap these two elements. So, 28, 3. So, the new array is 3 and 28. Okay. After first iteration, this is the sorted array. Okay. In selection sort, the array is divided into two parts, sorted and unsorted array. The remaining elements are unsorted. Okay. Now again we increment the I value. Now what is I value? 1 now. And minimum index equals to I. What is I value? 1 now. Okay. So now initialize j equals to I plus 1. So it is 2. So 2 less than 6. Yes, it is true. So enter into the block and check error of j. What is error of 2? 34 less than error of 1. Min index is 1 now. 56. 34 less than 56. Yes, it is true. So update the min index equals to j. What is j value? 2. So now the min index equals to 2 now. Okay. Again j plus plus. It is 3 now. 3 less than 6. Yes, it is true. So 28 less than 34. Yes, 28 is less than 34. It is true. So again update the min index, that is j. What is the j value now? 3. Now j plus plus 4. 4 less than 6. Yes, it is true. So what is the 4? Error of 4? 45 less than 28. So 45 less than 28, false. J plus plus. Now it is 5. 5 less than 6. Yes, it is true. What is error of 5? 23 less than 28. Yes, it is true. So update min index with j. What is the j value now? 5. So the min index is 5 now. Okay. Now j value is 6. 6 less than 6, false. Okay. Now you check I and j. What is I value? 1. What is the minimum index? 5. So both are not equal. So swap minimum index value with ith value. So what is I value? 56 is replaced with 23. 56. Here it is 23. Now 3, 23 is in sorted. Remaining elements 34, 28, 45, 56 is in unsorted order. Okay. So now we move to here. Now I value become as 2 now. Now what is I value? 2. What is the condition? 2 less than n minus 1. So it is 5. Yes, 2 less than 5 is true. So minimum index equals to I. So minimum index equals to 2. J equals to I plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Now compare. So 3 less than 6. Yes, it is true. So enter into the block. Error of j. Error of 3 is 28. 28 is less than minimum, that is 34. Error of minimum index 34. Yes, 28 less than 34. Yes, it is true. So update the minimum index equals to with j. What is the j value? 3. So minimum index is updated with 3 now. Now again j plus plus 4. 4 less than 6. True. What is error of 4? That is 45. 45. So less than 28. It is false. Next 56 less than 28. No, it is false. Now you check the minimum index not equals to I. What is I value? 2. Minimum index is 3. So swap these two. So it is changed as 28. Here 34. Now 3, 23, 28 is in sorted. 34, 45, 56 is in unsorted order. Now again you consider increment the I value. Now what is I value? 3. What is the j value? 4. What is the minimum index? 3. Okay. Now you compare 45 less than 34. No. 56 is less than 34. No. Now the I value become as a 6. 6 less than 6 will be false. Now if you observe, I value and minimum index both are same. Now so this condition will false. So no swapping. Why? Already elements are in sorted order. In next, I value become as 4. So j value become as 5. Minimum index is 4. Compare 56 is less than 45. No, false. And I value become as a 6. 6 less than 6, false. Okay. And in this case also I and minimum index both are same. So no swapping. Now only one element we have 56. Now what is I value? Here I value become as a 5. 5 less than 5 will be false. Now this is the sorted order. What is the array? What are the elements present in the array? 3, 23, 28, 34, 45, 56. Okay, this is in sorted order. Okay, if you print the elements in array, now it prints 3, 23, 28, 34, 45, 56. Before sorting 28, 56, 34, 3, 45, 23. After sorting 3, 23, 28, 34, 45, 56. Okay, let us execute this program. So initial it is 28, 56, 34, 3, 45, 23. After first iteration, so 3 is in sorted order, remaining 56, 34, 25, 45, 23 is in unsorted order. Okay, so finally we get the array in sorted order 3, 23, 28, 34, 45, 56. Okay, so this is how we implement selection sort in C programming. Summary of the session. In this session, we learn how to implement selection sort in C programming. So selection sort is easy to understand and implement. And coming to efficiency, it is inefficiency for large data sets, makes it less practical for real world applications. Why? The selection sort time complexity is big O of n square. So it is not suitable for larger data sets. In next class, we are going to discuss about insertion sort. If you have any doubts on selection sort, so place your doubts in the comment section. I will answer all your doubts. Thank you.